Tired of design tools that feel like they're from the Stone Age? Let's settle the score in the ultimate AI design showdown, Uizard vs Figma. First up, Uizard, the AI-powered design platform that's turning heads. Uizard allows you to upload screenshots or hand-drawn sketches and automatically transforms them into editable designs. Its auto-designer suggests layouts and UI components based on your project, saving you precious time. Now, let's dive into Figma, the industry standard known for its robust design capabilities and seamless collaboration. Figma offers extensive vector editing tools, allowing for precise and intricate designs. The real-time collaboration feature is a game-changer, enabling multiple designers to work on the same project simultaneously. When it comes to AI, Uizard shines with its automated design suggestions and rapid prototyping. Figma, on the other hand, leverages plugins and integrations to enhance its AI capabilities, offering features like automated component styling and accessibility checks. For collaboration, Figma's real-time editing and commenting features are hard to beat, making it ideal for team projects. Uizard also offers collaboration features, but it excels at empowering individual designers with its AI assistance. So, who wins? If you want an AI-first approach that accelerates design with smart suggestions, Uizard is your champion, but if you prefer a powerful and collaborative design environment with extensive features and customization, Figma reigns supreme. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your specific needs and preferences.